In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove recent documents from Microsoft Word without deleting the actual files. If you share your screen at work or use a shared computer, the recent list in Word can reveal more than you'd like. The good news is you can clear that list quickly and your documents stay safe right where they are on your computer. Start by opening Microsoft Word. You can do this from your Start menu or Applications folder, or by launching Word from a document you already have. Once Word is open, head to the Settings window. On Windows, go to File, then Options. On a Mac, click Word in the menu bar, then Preferences. Both of these lead you to Word Settings, where you can control how the program behaves. Next, look for the Advanced section. Once you're in Advanced, scroll down until you see the Display area. You'll find a setting labeled Show this number of recent documents. This controls how many items appear in your recent list on the Start screen and in the File menu. To clear the list, set that number to 0. Then click OK to save your changes. Word will immediately hide and effectively clear your recent documents list. If you change your mind later or just want the list back, it's just as simple. Return to the same setting and increase the number to whatever you prefer, like 10, 20, or more, and click OK. Your recent list will return and begin repopulating as you open documents going forward, giving you a fresh start. It's important to remember this action only clears the list inside Word. It does not delete or move any files on your computer. Your documents remain in their original folders, and you can still open them from File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac, or by double-clicking the files themselves. A couple of quick tips as you do this. If you don't see options or advanced exactly as described, make sure Word is updated, as layouts can vary slightly between versions. Also, if privacy is your priority, consider keeping the recent number relatively low so fewer items appear over time. And if you want to verify that the list is cleared, return to Word's Start screen or open the File menu. You should see no recent items listed after setting the number to 0. That's all there is to it. You've cleared your recent documents list in Word without touching the actual files, and you can restore the list anytime by setting the number back to your preferred amount.